Teachers across the country were asked to return to school on Monday morning to prepare classrooms for students writing the National Grade 6 Assessment (NGSA), Caribbean Secondary Education Certificate (CSEC), and Caribbean Advanced Proficiency Examinations (CAPE). But the Guyana Teachers Union (GTU) called on teachers to stay at home in protest against the Ministry of Education decision to reopen school for exam students. The GTU in a statement said this decision is based on the fact that Guyana's situation remains fluid as it relates to COVID-19. The GTU said positive cases of coronavirus are still being recorded, and this poses a threat to the well-being of all Guyanese whose desire is to remain healthy. The union advised teachers to remain in the safety of their homes and continue to give virtual support to learners as they finalize their preparations for their respective examinations. It is unclear at this point how many teachers heeded the call. The Ministry of Education on Monday clarified that all teachers are to return to school, not just exam teachers. President of GTU, Mark Light, said they are concerned about teachers and students' health. NGSA is set for July 1st and 2nd, while the CSEC and CAPE exams are set to begin on July 13th. The GTU stated that there should be no sense of guilt felt by any teachers since the union's recommendations to have these examinations written at a later date fell on deaf ears. The GTU assured that victimization measures will be resisted in the strongest possible way. The GTU has consistently objected to the examination dates and proposed that NGSA can be written in September and CSEC and CAPE in October. The union had communicated its concern to the Ministry of Education, but nothing was done. It is urging teachers to remain safe and continue to follow the health protocols established by the World Health Organization and supported by the Ministry of Public Health here in Guyana. A total of 11,998 students are registered to write the CSEC exams in Guyana, and 852 students are registered to write CAPE. An estimated 14,730 students will be writing the National Grade 6 Assessment on July 1st and 2nd. All public schools were closed on March 16 to prevent the spread of COVID-19. The Ministry of Education last week stated that no more than 15 students will be allowed in a classroom when schools reopen on June 15th. The furniture in schools will be placed 6 feet apart. It was also noted that the cleaning staff, security guards, and teachers are being trained on infectious diseases practices and interventions should anyone present with any COVID-19 symptoms. Health bays will be set up at every school to monitor everyone entering the school. The schools and classrooms will be sanitized routinely. No one will be allowed entry without a face mask, and the ministry will provide masks for those students who cannot afford. These regulations will also be done in private schools across the country. Reporting for the newsroom, I am Isanella Pato.